So hello everyone. In this video we will talk about SOUN stock and the key levels to watch September 19, 2025. In previous trading session the stock formed a bullish candle. So the first key support level is $13.88. If the price goes below $13.88 it could test $12.73. The key resistance level is $17.05. If the price breaks above $17.05, it could test $18.94. That's my view on SOUN stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.